Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change who can add you to group in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now what we want to make sure is that other people cannot add us to any group. Now let's begin. On the top right, here are these three icons. That's camera, search button, and these three dots. Simply click on it, and something like this will open up. What you need to do is simply go to the settings button right here. Well, there are lots of options here like accounts, privacy and everything. Scroll down. There are many options, but worry not. We're gonna make it easy for you. Simply click on the privacy tab right here, just click on it. And then something like this will open up. Just scroll down till you find something like groups. Click on this button right here. And then you're gonna be provided with an option like who can add me to groups. Right now it's on my contacts. In case you want anyone to add you to group, hit on the everyone button right here. Else if you don't want some contacts to add you, click on the third button that says my contacts accept. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change who can add you to groups. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.